Frugal friends, welcome back to the Frugal Family. My name is Julie, and this is another episode of Frugal Mama Reviews, Halloween edition. So I ordered a new toy. Yes, grown-ups get toys too. They're just a little different. I ordered a new toy. Ooh, I love the look. For our Halloween yard display, which we like to do as much upcycling, repurposing, refashioning as possible from dumpster salvage supplies or things we get out of people's like donation piles or roadside picks, and we try to give them new life and find ways to use them in our yard display. We've been doing this for several years. I love it. It is my passion project. It's where all my creativity just gets to burst forth, let loose, and be totally crazy and not like feel weird about it, you know? Unfortunately, even with our myriad supplies that we have salvaged, sometimes we still have to buy stuff to get that effect that we want, especially when, like me, you don't yet have all the knowledge of like motors and stuff like that. Someday, I'm gonna learn that stuff and we're gonna make our own like animatronics and things. Don't give up on me, I will figure it out. But until then, we have today's item, which is the Pulaco Mist Maker. And the box is super duper cute. And let's open it. I mean, if the box is anything to go by, it's gotta be fabulous. So, it's tiny. Woo, it's tiny. Okay, that's okay. So, let's see, it's gotta have an adapter in here to plug into, but there you go. Like, I mean, it's smaller than my palm, which is fine because it's going to go in a big bowl that we found at the dumpsters, and it's going to be on top of some bricks that were also from the dumpsters. It doesn't need to be ginormous. It just needs to produce ginormous effects for us. There are also some plastic pieces. We'll figure those out. Okay, yep, there's the adapter. That's adapter. So we've got the plug there. Yes, this one, you do have to plug it in, but it's a pretty simple plug right there. Okay. Nothing like super high voltage or anything. Then, mist makers. Before you install this mist maker, please read this instruction carefully and keep it for future reference. So, it's integrating humidifier and air freshener. It can release foam. Look, all I want is for it to make mist and be colorful and spooky, but according to the instructions, it has so many more features than that, including some that are a little bit dubious. For instance, it can release negative ions that are good for human health. It only needs to put the spray head into the water. It is also suitable for medicine steam room and industrial processing humidifying applications. All that from this tiny little device.
Are you sure?
Okay, it does show us what these plastic pieces are for. Okay, so this is the base. And then this is its little umbrella. Maybe. It's kind of weird.
I guess I don't understand.
Okay, there we go. This is the umbrella that I'm assuming will cause all the mist to kind of flow out and over the bowl, which is fantastic. So it'll all be coming up from here and then out. The lights, however, are also right here. I wonder if it would be better if they were like on the sides. I don't know. We'll have to see how it is in practice. But again, yeah, I don't know. The lights are going up. Is that we'll see. According to the instructions with all the fabulous pictures that they've included, it shouldn't be a problem. So we are going to get the bricks into the bowl, then water into the bowl, and then this. Or does this need to go in first? Let's find out. For installation purposes, here we go. Take out the mist maker and ACD adapter, connect the DC plug, done. Install the mist maker, this is important, underwater depth 2 to 2.8 inches. That is very specific. 2 to 2.8 inches. I'll get out there with my ruler. Best working water level, 0.6 inches between mist maker sensor and water surface. And then plug in the adapter. There is a cable cap on the power cord.
It's got to be just the right amount, though. Scoop that helps us measure that out.
Adjustable, that's for prevent mist gathered into water droplets, flows out and affect other devices.
Hold on. Oh my God.
Okay, we're gonna get that very specific water level ready. That just means that that's how far in it's gonna go. We're gonna have to fill quite a bit more water in that bowl. We just need to make sure that this is only sunk to the very specific, no more than 2.8 inch depth of water. Olivia gathered some of the bricks for me, so I went ahead and put 3 in there. This is the pot that we got from the dumpsters. I think it was over the summer that we got that. I've got this set up. All I need to do now is fill it with water. Okay, how about let's do, like half a pitch. We had some technical difficulties because it turns out this bowl, it leaked.
This is a disaster.
So we got this other bowl, this little metal bowl, and put the thing in there, and now we're gonna plug it in. Let's see what happens. All right, so far, not like big amounts of mist, but hold on. It's just getting started. I do like the lights, and that will, of course, show up quite a bit more as it gets darker tonight. There we go. Now it's working. That's great. I'm gonna have a fan, I think, plugged in over here so that the mist goes this way rather than out. All right, so the wind will be an issue. Yeah, I think I am gonna wanna have my little fan over here, and then maybe even like a lid so that all of the mist, even if there's wind, it at least starts by coming this way. Also, I might just hang up a canvas curtain or something here. That would also be helpful. So I think the problem I'm having here, I like what it does what it's supposed to do, but I think I need to have it in something that's not so deep. If I had, like if it had a way to have it more shallow, then, because the mist is having to come up out of the bowl, that might be part of the thing. I'm gonna think about it. Maybe we'll put another brick under it. That way the mist is coming out. And then, like I said, I'm gonna put something here so that when inevitably there's wind, it's not gonna blow that way, and possibly some kind of a lid so that it forces it this way. That sure is cool looking though. But see how a lot of it is just getting pulled away in the wind? Yeah, we're gonna hang a curtain here. I am glad I bought this. It's a lot of fun, inexpensive. I just need to do a few tweaks and then I think it will be perfect. All right, one concern that I better go ahead and mention, I went to unplug this because I'm done for the night. It's hot. It is really quite warm. Is it because I plugged it into another cord, an extension cord, or I don't know, maybe it wants to be plugged into the wall or be the only thing plugged in. I'm not sure, but yeah, it's pretty warm. So word to the wise on that one.